Chemistry was crazy from the get-go. Neither one of us knew why. We didn't build nothing overnight, cause a love like this takes some time. People swore it off as a face.
Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I achieved that ponytail I showed you all in the intro. So to start off, I'll be making a braid, and you all don't mind if my hair isn't as sleek as it's supposed to be, because my hair was really dirty and I didn't have the strength to actually start putting gel on my hair. So yeah, that's just it. So I just braid my hair into a braid. So now I'm done with the braid, and you guys, I really regret not stretching out my hair before doing this style because it actually affected the way the ponytail turned out. So I'll be using 3 bundles of synthetic hair, by the way, not human hair. So if you see it looking funny, don't say anything about it. So I'll be using a tiny rubber band to create a loop on one end of the weave and a wider rubber band on the other end of the weave. It's preferable to use black, but this was what I had. So you take the smaller rubber band and attach it to the braid as firm as possible, and then you begin to wrap the weave around the braid as tight as possible for it not to lose or look, weak. So you attach it as firm as possible, and this was where I said I regretted not stretching out my hair because the thickness of my braid made it look puffy and wobbly in a way. I forgot to mention that we are working in an upward direction, so you are attaching the first weave from the bottom of your braid, then you are wrapping your hair in direction moving upward. So that's what I meant by we are working in an upward direction. So now that we are done wrapping the hair, we are just going to use the second rubber band and just attach it to the braid. I don't know how to explain that, but you guys just watch what I do in the video. So yeah, I've attached it. I really hope you guys understood what I did there because I can't put that in words. For the second weave, we are just going to do the same process we did for the first weave.
She calls out to the man on the street. Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I know where to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, things sway, 'cause it's another day. Paradise. Oh, things sway, 'cause it's another day. You and me He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, things
Now I'm done attaching the hair extensions and it's looking better than I thought it would. The final step now is to conceal the rubber bands and the hair tracks. So I'm just going to get a piece of hair, use a lot more of hair than I did because that did not do a lot, but use a lot more hair. So just use that to wrap around my hair. I don't know if you get what I said, but use the hair to wrap around it, and that's all for this tutorial. So I'm just going to brush out the hair. You can also straighten it if you want, but I didn't straighten mine. So yeah, this is just the final result and it actually turned out really nice, and I'll be doing this more often. So I really hope you guys learned a new method of, getting your hair done. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell to get notified whenever I post. And also share to your friends. And I'll see you in my next video.
What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me?